to my new YouTube channel, which I have created for my Trishul API framework, which I created over PHP. Many of you have seen or listened somewhere that peoples are saying that the PHP has ended. There is no future of the PHP. But still, I thought that PHP can never be ended as because the PHP is very easy to learn for the new beginners, and the deployment of this PHP is also very easy. So PHP can never be end. That's why I have created one framework in YouTube. Sorry, in PHP. Let me close all these tags. Oh. Is there any viewers right now? No viewers are there. Let me take you to the PHP folder. Here I have created one let me delete it. I will open it in terminal. So whenever we have to create a new PHP framework, then Composer helps us. So Composer, here you will find I have listed my my framework on the on packages. This is the core framework in starting framework. So I have to copy Composer create project Trishul API framework, and I will just paste it in my terminal and I will hit enter. I think I have done something wrong. I'll do it again. Let me delete this because I have not named it. So nodes API. So we are creating one API, one microservice of nodes API using Trishul API framework. CD nodes API and code dot. I will open it in Visual Studio Code. So this is the folder structure. Logs directory contains the application logs. SRC folder is the main folder in which you can create any number of folders that you want. So typically when we go to index.php, this is the main file where the application starts. You will see okay, let me just run one more command, Composer update, so that it downloads all the dependencies. So this is installing the Trishul API core version 1.0.2. So now you can see app equal to new app and app.set.env path.env. So we have some files in our .env file which you can also access using one class which is environment. Let first create. So I have this application provides one default route. This is / means home page, and this returns one JSON object. Hello and welcome to Trishul API. So to run this application, just open terminal here and write PHP hyphen big S and localhost 8000. So the development server of PHP is started at localhost 8000 port. You can go and type here 8000. As soon as you will type, you will see the main route of this application. Hello and welcome to Trishul API. Now I want to take you to the .env file. Here you will see that allowed domains. These this is the list of all the URLs or all the hosts which you want to have access to your backend, like PHP, this PHP framework. If I write here 9000 and I just save it, it will not open it. Message, it will throw an error, invalid domain. Add this domain localhost 8000 in allow domains, status code 500 और ये इसका time, and this is the time. So this provides one type of like CORS which you can configure dynamically. Enable Swagger. Enable Swagger, if you put it 1, it will provide you one route /doc where the Swagger documentation will open. And if you want to show the stack trace, like where on which line number or on which file this exception has occurred, so you can put it 1. Keep it 0 when you want to deploy this application in the productions. And this is the log dir logs. You can change the log dir anytime which you want to change. So now when I go to the /docs here, /docs, so it will show me the Swagger documentation of the API. This is automatically generated based on the routes. So let me check how many are live concurrent viewers. I think there is no one which is watching this live streaming. Not a matter to me. I will just tell you. So go to the index.php, and this is the project structure which is generally followed inside this PHP framework Trishul API. So src, under src, create folders, directory like models, controllers, middlewares, services, DTO, data transfer object, or you can say it POJO or whatever. Because I come from a Java background, so I have I've created many applications in Spring Boot, so that's why I have structured all these folders like that. Exceptions, for keeping all your application exceptions. Helpers for any utility classes. And logs will automatically be generated based on the date. And index.php, .env, composer.json, and composer.log. Have a look on composer.json. This is the name of this application. Description, type project, license MIT, auto load. This will, whenever you type app, it will load the files from the src folder. So it requires only Trishul API core version 1.0.2. If you want to use SMS API or email API, you can just composer install or composer require this file. So now I will create the structure as mentioned in docs.php. So I'll create models, I'll create services, I will create another folder inside src which is controllers. I'll create one folder for exceptions, exe exceptions. One for helpers. And I will also like to create routes. So all the routes I'll create here. You can create your routes in index.php, but it will not be enough. So let me create one route, like home routes, home routes dot php. Open PHP start tag here, PHP, and namespace will be app routes and class will be home routes. So you can const dollar routes equal to router. This is Trishul API core HTTP namespace router dot parent. So it takes basically three parameters. One is the parent URL, like I will, like home, children's. So children's are like router children, and it takes the many parameters for building the automatic Swagger documentation, but three are basically required. This is method. So request type, which is also coming from Trishul API core HTTP, get slash, and a callback function which you want to call from any controller or any file. You can write it from the service also. So I'll just create one file in service, home service.php, namespace app services, class home service, and public function index, return response. This is coming from also is Trishul API core HTTP response.json. Provide status code, http status, okay, and data should can be anything from string to any JSON object. So I will write, because we are dealing with APIs, so I will write please message, first message, and share this YouTube channel with others. Okay, so in home routes I will call this function as home service class dot at the rate index. At the rate index is for dividing the class and the function name, and I'll use just so this is an array, so I need to put it inside array. Routes. So just format the document. This is it. What? I need to static. What is this? Syntax error, unexpected token, unexpected variable, static. I think I should remove these things from here and just save it. and include router and type and size. So in index.php I will include these routes as router.include, and I must include once, or include once, include once. This is src raw. From here I must route it as home routes. So I will include all these routes here, dollar home routes, and as soon as I save it and refresh the docs page, it will automatically generate one home URL, which you can test it, try it out. So you can see the output here, message share this YouTube channel with others. So based on this based on the routes which we can create using these classes router.parent, router parent and router children, this automatically groups the routes and place as the parent tab. This is home, and all the routes of home URL will be under this tag. Okay, so let me check how many are. I think there is no one, nobody is live. Hello, hello, can you please come on live, Rose? So MySQL Workbench, I will create one Nodes API schema. Nodes API. And I'll connect it to the application. Localhost username is good. DB name is nodes underscore API. App name nodes API. Nodes API version 1.0. Host path, everything is good. Now let's refresh the Swagger documentation. You will see the changes here. Nodes API version 1.0. Okay. Good. Yeah. So let me create one model which will be a user model, user.php. Namespace will be app models and class will be user, which extends model from Trishul API core data. It has it has basically two fields, two properties and one behavior. So public static string dollar table name equal to users, and public static string dollar primary key equal to user ID. Public function construct self dollar table name. The parent requires the table name to it provides basically a lot of functions, inbuilt functions, which you can use to interact with the database. Many functions, or you can write or add own functions in the model class, user class, for your benefit. Okay, as soon as I save it, nothing will change in the docs. I need to go to the service. Here I will create user service.php, namespace app services, class user service. Let me tell you once we should go to the documentation, trishulapi.com. Welcome to Trishul API, a framework for RESTful API. See the documentation. First of all, this is lightweight and easy to implement, fast coding. Easy to implement, you have seen like I've created one API within hardly 1 minute. So this is very easy to implement. If you want to build APIs at a very fast speed with the security and using the PHP framework, you can do so with the help of Trishul API and the fast coding. As you have also seen, the coding is very fast. It has many features, but few of the features are listed here, like routing, which you have seen. It is very easy to create routes. Logging is automatically done. Inbuilt logger factory class is provided, so you can use here like private logger factory $logger equal to logger factory dot get logger self dot class. Okay, so let me create one function, public function get all. So for now I am just return response JSON HTTP status okay, user ID equal to 1, name equal to Sham, and second object is user ID equal to 2 and name equal to zone. So I will write $logger dot info log $this dot logger dot info getting all the users. Rather public function construct I think I should give it this way. $this dot logger equal to. Now it will be very fine and it will not throw any error. So let me create one route in user routes. User routes dot php, name space app routes, $user routes equal to router dot parent users router children request type dot get and user service dot class dot concatenate it with the function name, prefix it with the @. So I will index, that's it. and I have to include it in the index file also. Control C, Control V, and also Control C, Control V, user routes. User routes. Just refresh the Swagger UI documentation. You will see one users, and whenever I hit try it now, it will return index method not found in class service or user service. Oh, that function name was get all. Sorry, my mistake. Get all. So home routes get all. Execute index method. Oh, home routes. No, this is not home routes. This is user routes. Get all. So you can see the response is user ID 1 Shyam and 2 John. Okay, so you might have seen that this is very good. In the next video, on the next live session, I will tell you in more details about this. This is logging, so let me check whether logs are being generated or not. Oh, logs are not generated. Let me check why these logs are not generated. I will tell you in the next video itself. Till that time, have a good time, and do share this video with the others, and be ready for next live streaming we will do soon. Okay, see you soon. Till that time, bye bye.